Auto body specialists are in demand, but it takes skills and training to enter this growing field. Olney Central College's Collision Repair Technology program can get you started with a 2-year associate's degree. Gain hands-on experience repairing and restoring damaged vehicles while working in our state-of-the-art facility. Call 618-395-7777 to learn more or visit www.iecc.edu/OCC.
Olney Central College is a 2-year public community college located in southern Illinois. OCC offers a variety of educational opportunities with transfer degrees and technical programs that prepare students for careers in today's competitive job market. Since its founding in 1963, OCC has been dedicated to providing students with a quality education at an affordable cost. OCC's small class size ensure our students receive one-on-one instruction from faculty members assigned to their success. OCC continues to receive recognition for its completion and graduation rates, earning it rankings as the #1 community college in Illinois and one of the top 150 community colleges in the nation. In addition to its outstanding academics, OCC offers students an active campus life. Students can participate in numerous clubs and organizations such as Student Senate and PTK. Students can also attend numerous athletic events and other college-related events. The Collision Repair Technology program is one of the key career and technical programs at OCC. The Collision Repair program is designed to prepare auto body specialists for the repair of body and frame damage of vehicles. The standard curriculum and skills learned in this program include removing dents, straightening bent frames, using replacement parts, and automotive paint application. The Collision Repair Department keeps pace with a fast-moving industry, emphasizing the most up-to-date repair methods. The collision repair curriculum is reviewed by an advisory board composed of local and regional industry members. There is a high demand for skilled collision repair technicians. Job opportunities are found in multiple industries and related fields. All collision repair students have access to multiple support services at the college. These include remediation services, tutoring, library services, and other career placement services. We have dedicated staff to help students be successful and find jobs after graduation. At OCC, we are dedicated to student success. In order to make students ready for the workplace, they need the appropriate equipment and tools. We are seeking aid in purchasing various tools and equipment for the collision repair program. We deeply appreciate any help provided.
Hello, and welcome to Olney Central College Collision Repair Technology program. My name is Lonnie Barnes. I recently took over the program within the last 2 years, and I have made several improvements and looking to do many, many more. I look forward to teaching the future of our industry. Olney Central College at this point is ranked the #1 community college in the state of Illinois. I have aspirations at making this collision repair program also the #1 program in the state of Illinois. And that would be in conjunction with CREF helping me get there. And this is our classroom where our students learn the many aspects of the collision repair technology program. You can see we have our computers for computer estimating systems. We also have all data, and they also learn to use the OEM one-stop and the OEM sites to learn how to properly repair the vehicles. As you can see, we have all the signs up from CREF's generous sponsors, and we greatly appreciate everything CREF does for the industry. Now we're going to the shop where our students get the hands-on portion of our program. And as you can see, it's fairly empty right now because this is after the semester has ended. We have one project left over from the last semester. Kind of a walkthrough of our shop. See, we have several motorcycles in the corner. We also, OCC also hosts a motorcycle driving course in the summertime, and they store the motorcycles in the shop. Here's our detailing bay, where the students learn to properly detail and clean up a vehicle after repairs have been made. The next day, you can see the small lift that we have currently, which we are going to be replacing as we have gained a new used alignment machine that will be installed in the semester to come. Next day is our frame rack and Sonic 360 laser measurement system for when the students learn the frame rack. Here we have our global finishing system, downdraft paint booth, and mixing room. This is our tool room. All of our air tools and sandpaper and sanding blocks are all in these cabinets. This is the second half of the tool room. As you can see, we have a silicon bronze aluminum welder, 2 MIG welders, with another one on order, and a plastic welder. The only thing we're missing is a squeeze type resistant spotlight. With your gracious help, it would be greatly appreciated and would get the students up to speed. With the tools and equipment that we're asking for, you would put us one step closer to being a Tier 1 school, and also one step closer to being the #1 collision repair program in the state.